Here we have a new project that was generated using the Monkeybars command line tool, and we're going to look at using the generator to create new files that are the base of a new application. So the first thing to know about the Monkeybars generator is that it is not a command line tool like the Monkeybars project generator. It is in fact a rake task. So if we ask rake for its list of tasks, we see that there's one, rake generate, and it has 4 different options: all, controller, view, and model. All is simply the controller, the view, and the model all together as one. So if we look at our source directory here, we see that it's just the base files that were created when you said monkeybar space and then your project name. And if we go and we run the rake generate command, in this case we want to generate all, a model, view, and controller, and we give it a name of where to put these files. We're going to put them under source, and we're going to name this test. So we're going to end up with a test controller, a test model, and a test view, and all 3 of those files live inside the test directory. This keeps them organized because typically when you want to work with one, you need to work with all 3. It would also be suggested that if you create a Java form for this, like you probably will want to, that you put that Java form also in this test directory. And if we look at these files, we see that they're pretty sparse, just the bare minimum of code that you would need to get this up and running. So the controller just links to a model and a view and has a close action. The model is empty because we don't know what you're going to want to put in there. And the view just references a Java class of some sort. Now the generator can be used to generate just a single kind of thing. So if we want to rake generate, say, just a controller, we can do that. And we see that only a controller was generated. If we look back here, we see a foo directory with a foo controller that will have the same contents basically as a test controller.